Missed tax deadlines? Need more time to file? Don't panic. The IRS actually gives you options, but there is a catch. We are breaking down how to file for an extension, what happens if you miss the deadline, and how to fix mistakes on your return. If you are new here, consider subscribing. Now let's dive in. How do I file for a tax extension? If you need more time to file your tax, you can request an automatic extension from the IRS. How it works? File Form 4868 by the April 15 tax deadline. The extension gives you until October 15 to file. Important, a tax extension only extends the filing deadline, not the payment deadline. What happens if I miss the tax filing deadline? Here's what happens next. If you owe taxes, the failure to pay penalty is 0.5% per month up to 25%. Interest also accrues daily on unpaid taxes. If you are due a refund, good news, there is no penalty for filing late. If you are owed a refund, you have up to 3 years to file and claim your money. Can I file my taxes after the deadline? Yes, but don't wait too long. What you need to do, file ASAP. The sooner you file, the lower your penalties. If you can't pay in full, pay what you can. This reduces penalties and interest. Set up an IRS payment plan if needed. How long does it take for the IRS to process an amended return? Amended return timeline. The IRS takes up to 20 weeks to process an amended return. If you expect a refund, it may take longer than normal return. Check your status on the Where is my amended return tool at irs.gov. Have you ever missed a tax deadline or had to file an amended return? Let me know in the comments. And if this video helped you, like and subscribe for more tax tips. Assalamu alaikum.